This exercise is going to help you maintain eye contact while also working on your conversational skills, making you more witty and never running out of things to say. What you're going to do is you're going to pick a topic and you're going to talk about it for about 5 to 10 seconds until you say another keyword, and then you're going to jump to that new topic and start talking about that until you say another keyword. Keyword being an important word in that sentence. So I'll give you an example. Let's start with the topic career. I love my career because I get to help people. People are strange. When you're a stranger. That's a great song by The Doors. Doors. My mother lives in this huge house that has this huge doorway. When you walk in, it's like something for a giant. Giant. Tony Robbins is a giant, and he's one of my favorite personal development speakers. Speakers. I'm a speaker, and I love being on stage and, giving my advice to a big audience. Audience. One time I was at this concert, and there was a huge audience, and they started this crazy mosh pit. Anyways, I could go on and on. You get the idea. It's your turn. Ready? Go.